everyone, welcome to Swan Lifestyle. My name is Olivia and I'm a lifelong ballerina and classical musician, here to teach you how to dance ballet for free with no experience needed. Let's go ahead and get our dancing gear on and get started. Hello everyone, I'm so glad that you're here. Just a quick note that if you are a new person visiting my videos for the very first time, welcome. Just a quick note that I recommend that you take a look at the playlist above so that you can start from the very beginning of this full-length course, because each video in this course builds off of concepts learned in previous videos, and I wouldn't want for you to feel lost. If you are a returning student, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here. We're finally learning pirouettes today, so hats off to you. I'm very proud of you, and thank you for sticking through the course material for this long. So in addition to pirouettes, you will learn how to do a step called a Balancé, as well as a step called a Bourrée. So tying in the concepts of the different classroom corners and walls, as well as the directions of the position of your body in space, you could do a pirouette in a variety of different ways, to put it simply enough. We will focus on one of the more basic pirouettes for this first time learning, and to do that we will start on face. And for our preparation for a pirouette, we can go ahead and start with the third position with the right foot to the front. We can do our preparation arms and then draw out our arms to second while the foot draws out to wall number 3. We will do kind of like a half rond de jambe parterre on the floor to the back so that we are in en face à la quatrième derrière. Then place that foot down into a fourth position and plie with your arm here, okay? So the same arm as the right, as the working leg, will be in front of you here in this position. Now, something that's very crucial to understand when you do a pirouette is that your body isn't what's turning you, okay? That's a very common misconception and still can be kind of hard to fight your basic instincts to try to turn with your body. What actually turns you in a pirouette would be your arms. So before we even get to going into a pirouette, I want to teach you the arms. So like I said, we're going to go do a preparation, à la seconde, do a little rond back with that foot, land in a fourth position. From here, your arm that's in the front is going to push out, and then you're going to snap your arms together into a first position, okay? So you're going to push out and close. Push out and close. So we'll practice pushing that arm out while we go into a plie. So push out and close. Push out and close. So now that we understand the arms of a pirouette, let's go ahead and learn the legs. We'll put our arms on our hips for now. So you'll start in your plie position and then lift up to a relevé passé balance. Okay? Start again. Plie. Lift up. Go back down. You can put your arms inside too. Plie, lift up. And draw that foot, but do a passé in front of the knee, okay? There are certain passés that require putting the knee to the back of your leg, but we aren't doing that right now. We're going to start in our fourth position plie and jump up, okay? Now, if you put all those things together, when you plie, your arms will snap together in the same timing that your leg goes to the front in your passé, okay? So, plie, passé. So let's go ahead and try that. I'm going to step off of my little mark because I don't know if I can turn on this tape here. But we'll start with our third position en face. Preparation, tendu side, close back, and remember to spot. You're going to look in front of you, close, land, okay? I will do that to the back so you can see as if you were sitting behind me in class. Preparation, à la seconde, rond back, and close, land. Now I'm landing in what's called a long fourth position. As you can see, my leg landed here instead of back into this fourth position here. This is a long fourth position to the right. This is a long fourth position to the left. So I would say usually it's actually easier after going from a pirouette in the fourth to a long fourth ending. So we'll go ahead and try that one more time. And in ballet, it's very important to do things evenly. So let's go ahead and do a pirouette to the left. So we'll start with our left foot in the front. Preparation. A la seconde, close with this arm in front. And go. Long forward. Let's try it one more time. And there you have it. That's how you do pirouette. Feel free to rewind and repeat as needed. Now we will learn how to do Balancé, which is kind of like a waltz step. To do this, we are going to start in a closed position. Bring your front foot out and your arms out allongé, and bring your foot to wall 3. And kind of lean over your shoulder a little bit as this arm closes front. And you're going to step with that back foot that's now in a sort of coup de pied to the back, and then go onto that back foot in a releve, and kind of lightly kick out the front foot and close it, okay? So we'll try that real quick. 1, 2, 3. Now to the left. 1, 2, 3. And this is a step that's kind of meant to be connected with itself. It'd be a little bit odd to just do one off by itself. I'll show you what I mean right now. So we'll start to the front. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure that when your foot does the little kick out that you point your toes. I'll go ahead and show you to the back. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. And again, that's kind of like a waltz step because it's typically done in a pattern of 3. And when it comes to music theory, a waltz is done in a 3/4 time signature, which means that there are 3 beats per measure, as opposed to a 4/4 time signature, which is 4 beats per measure. That's why I was saying 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Because if you try the other way, 1, 2, 3, 4, it doesn't work because you're already in the next side when you're still counting on that 4th beat of the measure. Lastly, we will learn how to do a bourrée. A bourrée is just very, very fun, especially when you get to point, but it's still fun on flat shoes as well. You're simply going to go up into a releve with your legs closed in a closed position, typically a 5th, a 3rd, or a 1st, or sometimes even a 6th position. And you're just going to like beat your feet together a little bit and travel. So a very typical bourrée would be if you were to, for the right, face corner number 8 and have your leg in front of you, so croisé for the leg. You're going to look under the arm a little bit and bourrée back. And usually during that bourrée, you'll kind of switch your arms and then go to the other direction, okay? So let's go ahead and start this way. Bourrée, face corner 2, bourrée. And we're just kind of like traveling on our diagonals here, as you can see. So I'm starting from this diagonal going back there, this diagonal going back there. I'll do that facing the back for you. So one of the key tips for bourrée is making sure that you're keeping your feet together, okay? You don't want them to be too far apart. You want them to be together while you're moving, okay? So now that we've learned all the motions that we have on the schedule for today, let's go ahead and learn our combination for this class. So for this combination, we will actually be doing a bourrée in a different direction than I've just taught you, because you can do bourrées in various directions in space and different body orientations. So for this bourrée, we're actually going to be facing en face. We're going to bourrée forward, okay? So we will start in a 3rd position. We'll do a preparation arms, and we'll go ahead and do a tendu out and start doing a bourrée forward, okay? Then from there, we are going to plie. We are going to tendu to the side, do a little rond de jambe par terre back, do a pirouette and land in the long 4th, and then from here we're going to take our back leg, go into a balancé, balancé, close with the left in the front, and then do everything to the left, okay? So let's go ahead and mark the left facing to the back so you can see what it looks like. So we're going to do a bourrée to the front, plie, tendu to the side, rond de jambe back. Let me move because I'm on this little tape. Rond de jambe back, pirouette, long 4. Balancé, balancé, and with the right foot front and look off to the side. Let's go ahead and do this combination for this class. Fantastic job, everyone. I am so proud of you for joining me today. Here's my reverence to you. Thank you for dancing with me. I had such a great time. If you enjoyed this lesson, please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notifications, all those good things so that you can be in the know for my future lessons. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!